can't see squat here. It's so flippin' dim. This incandescent bulb is dimmer than a pile of bricks that fell off a busted old building that got hit by a tornado. Much better. All joking aside, I don't know how people live like this. It's such a common sight nowadays, driving around at night, to see houses lit up like this in this awful, glaring, bluish light color. This is so harsh and unpleasant. There's even an awful glare in all the windows. It's even obnoxious outside. Oh, you certainly can see the fan well now. The box fan. This looks just like a stupid modern house. That is awful.